Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and season's greetings to you all. Today's recipe is all about smoked mackerel fish with vegetables. You are going to love it because I'm also going to list the benefit of everything I used in preparing it. Don't miss this video for anything. So as you can see, I have my mushroom which I've already washed and cut, my mackerel fish as well which I have also added salt, and I have my onions here as well. I got also some broccoli. Now I'm going to put my fish in the air fryer. First of all, I'm going to add some black pepper to it, like use it to season it, and then I'm going to put in the air fryer. So guys, while that is going on, I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of mushroom. Mushroom decreases the risk of cancer, it lowers the sodium intake, it protects the brain health, it is also a source of vitamin D, and it is also good for the immune system. So I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of tomatoes. Tomatoes is good for the skin, it's good for diabetics, it helps improve vision, it is good for the digestive health, and it also reduces the blood pressure. So guys, I'm going to tell you also some of the benefits of onions. As we all know, it lowers the blood sugar level, it is good for the eyes, it is good also for the hair growth, and it fights cancer as well. Also good for the brain health. So guys, that's it. These are just some of the wonderful things that all these vegetables does for the body. So here are some of the health benefits of broccoli. It improves the liver health, it helps in fighting cancer, it is good for weight loss, it strengthens the bones, it's good for the skin, it controls the blood sugar, it supports the heart health also. Guys, it's just a lot. It's good for the brain. It's just amazing like what they all do for the body. So guys, I encourage you to continue eating vegetables. So now I'm going to not forget the last but the least, the mackerel fish. I'm going to tell you the health benefit of mackerel fish. So like we all know, we know that fish has this omega-3, which is very good for the body as well. It also reduces the risk of Alzheimer's. It has vitamin B12 that is to protect the heart. They've got also niacin B3 to give you energy, and it also has vitamin D also to protect the bones and immune system. Look at all these things, like what they all do for the body, guys. It's amazing. So as you can see, I am still on my vegetable, and I had to cover it so that it will cook properly. And as you can see, my fish is ready. I have already brought it out from the air fryer. So now my vegetable is ready. I'm just going to dish out my food, and then that's it, guys. That's how I prepare this delicious smoked mackerel fish with vegetables you are seeing here. Please, if you like this video, don't keep it to yourself, share it with your friends, everyone you know, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also click on the bell icon so that you always get a notification anytime I post a new video. And please don't forget to leave your comment also in the comment section to tell me what you think about this recipe. All right, I'm going to say bye for now, and enjoy your Christmas, celebrate well, and be careful. All right, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.